Hello guys, this is Maniran. Hope you are safe and well. So in this video we're going to see those who like to travel to Tamil Nadu via flight through air from a different state or a city to enter TN state. So before that, all passengers traveling to Tamil Nadu shall be required to register on the state website, TN state website, to generate the e-pass. So you need an e-pass to travel to Tamil Nadu, which is a mandatory thing. So here in the description I have given the e-pass link where you can go and get the e-pass. So first thing is health screening. So in health screening there are 4 steps. So first is the thermal screening will be done for all the passengers. So this is a common thing which is done for all the passengers. The second point is only for the people who is from Maharashtra, Gujarat and Delhi. Those who traveling from Maharashtra, Gujarat and Delhi, they have to take compulsory COVID test at the when you arrive in the Chennai airport. So the third point is COVID test for the passengers arriving into any other airport of Tamil Nadu except Chennai. You guys need to take local decisions. Either it can be local decision from your side whether to take test or not, or it's up to the health official. If they feel that you guys need to take COVID-19 test, then you should cooperate with the health official. The fourth point is within Tamil Nadu. If you guys traveling within the Tamil Nadu, so it is same as the third point. It is up to the local decision. So by the health official. So whether you should take a test or a 14 days quarantine. So this is the fourth point. So the quarantine. So quarantine rules are, it is a 14 days mandatory quarantine for all the people who is arriving into Tamil Nadu from any other state. The second point is passengers shall required to go for institutional quarantine till the time the COVID test results are available. So till the COVID result 19 test comes, you should be in quarantine, institutional quarantine, that it should be like under their control. So once you get the result as a negative, you guys can stay at home as a 14 days home quarantine. Passengers, the important thing is you guys need to have a Arogya Setu app. So this is one thing you should have, and the mandatory e-pass, Tamil Nadu e-pass, the second point. So two things you should have in your hand. One is Arogya Setu app and second one is Tamil Nadu e-pass, so which is mandatory. This video is dedicated to Vasudev, who commented on my previous post to know about the travel details on norms if he likes to travel to Tamil Nadu from Tirupati. So that is the main reason I have posted this video. Thanks Vasudev. Hope this video is helpful. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. And for if you have any doubts or any queries, please write in a comment section so that I can give my answers to that. So thanks and stay safe.